Hi everybody, it's Jennifer, Irreverent RN. I got home from work today and I found my Stitch Fix on the porch, so I'm pretty happy. That's a lot of clothes in a span of like a week. So I'm gonna open this baby up because I have no idea what's in it. They did ask me what I was looking for, and I requested a light colored denim jacket, and I also told them I didn't want no fleece, no sweaters, no cardigans. I did send them a picture of this cute t-shirt that had kind of a triangular opening, but then I specifically said I did not want any cold shoulder tops because I'm over that. That's like 3 years ago. I just don't want to offend anyone if they like the cold shoulder. I'm over it though. Well, let's carry on. I got myself some scissors and we'll open this box. Stitch Fix. And this is all going to be a complete surprise to me. I'm nervous. Okay. I know I see people doing this bundle on for their Stitch Fixes. So I have a bundle. Okay, looks interesting. Let's see. I have stripes. I just got stripes in with my Nordstrom Trunk Club. Okay, I got a return bag. So anything I don't want, send back. I have a card, an envelope. This says, "Oh, hello." Okay. Your style delivered. Hello there, Jennifer. Happy Fix Day and welcome back. I hope this finds you well and brings you a smile. First off, thank you for leaving such detailed feedback on each item for Fix number 1. It's very helpful in choosing pieces and honing in on your style. I saw your request for a white denim jacket and they didn't have one in stock, but I thought you might want to give this M&S one in cognac a try. Layer it over the black Daniel Rainn blouse to really make the jacket pop. I chose this top because of the cutouts. I saw your pin with this subtle cutout top, and this was the closest I could get. The other DR blouse will also go great under the jacket. You also requested long sleeve shirts. Is this pink clover top a good weight and airy enough for the Texas spring? Enjoy trying everything on and let me know which piece is your fave. Well, this should be interesting. We'll check this out because they really are sweet. And then it has a receipt, I think. Thank you for letting us style you, which has all of the prices.
I'm not sure I understand.
Siri wants to talk. So my subtotal is going to be, my total is, if I keep everything, is $203.50. So let's check out and see what we got. I'll keep the list so I can refer to it. So let's start with this. This looks like it's called Daniel Rainn Abrian Split Neck Cap Sleeve. It's made of t-shirt material. It's polka dot in the front and striped in the back. That's cute. What a cute detail. There is some smocking, just mild, in front of the shoulders. Okay, that's item number 1. Item number 2 is black Daniel Rainn Kabari cutout detail blouse. Oh, it's cute. Look at all those circles. And it says in a size large. I'm hoping it works out for me. It's cute. Nice. Okay, Pink Clover. I didn't really care for this brand the last time they sent it to me. And this is the Catalina Scoop Neck long sleeve in purple. Has these little racing stripes. That's what I'm going to call it. A little cuff. And I just think the Pink Clover stuff feels a little cheap to me. I don't know. Maybe trying it on, it'll be different. All right, and then I have Market and Spruce. A cognac colored full, I don't know, what does it say? Full stretch denim jacket, size large. I don't know about the color. Should be interesting with the try on. So, yeah. And then I got Vegas Elaine Girlfriend Distressed Jean. I like the name of these. That's my middle name. And they look like they are nice and short for me. So we'll see how these go. $68. Lagos Thompson Tomboy Innovative Stretch. Slimming technology. All right, so I'm gonna have to try this on and we'll get the fashion show underway. So, hey everybody, so I'm trying on the first outfit suggestion that Stitch Fix has in their little cards. So it wanted me to try this with the jeans. So I'm gonna use the jeans that they sent me, the Vigos jeans, and this top is a Pink Clover top. And there was used some little white sneakers, looks like plain leather sneakers. So that's the first inspiration for this top. So let's see. So I'm not a fan of this Pink Clover. It's too fleecy, it's too warm for Texas spring. It's kind of cute, it feels really soft, but it also feels super cheap. Then paired with this distressed Vigos jean, and let's see how they look. And I've put on some glittery pink Converse shoes. These are the jeans. I don't have a pair of distressed jeans yet, so I don't know how they look. I just ordered some of those Hudson jeans off the Gilt Tap that I got in my trunk club that were too expensive, and I found them on Gilt for $79. So I went ahead and I got the smaller size on there as well. So, so this is the first outfit, Stitch Fix. I'm not too impressed just yet, but there's another outfit, and I'm thinking I'm liking the next shirt. So we'll see how it looks. All right, so the next outfit is also this top from Stitch Fix by Daniel Rainn. And I first have to tell you about this pet peeve. But if I had this top, I would cut these off, the little hangy things. If you're gonna make a cute top with these cutouts and stuff, make them black strings. That's super annoying, so let's see if I can hide them. I feel like this top is just Might be a little too snug right here. See how it's pulling? It's a large, but when you have boobs, things just don't fit the way you want them to sometimes. So I pair them with the same Vigos jeans that I wore in the previous outfit. So I'm just gonna step back, and I also put on my Birdies pointy-toed flats, which I really love. These Birdies, I got them from Trunk Club. Here's another look at the jeans, the butt, and this top is not super uncomfortable. It's super cute. It might be the one thing that I do end up keeping. I love this cutouts with the dots. It's super cute. So I requested a light colored denim jacket, preferably white, and you cannot believe what they sent me. It's rust colored jean jacket by Market and Spruce, and size large. And doesn't this scream autumn leaves to you? Because it certainly screams it to me. It definitely has nothing to do with spring. I'm highly disappointed by this denim jacket. It might look cute, and she suggested it with this top. I'm going to tuck in this tag in the pocket. It is a cute outfit. If I was going to brunch in October for Canadian Thanksgiving, maybe? What do you think? Yeah, this is definitely fall color to me. It fits well. It has well, maybe not. Look at how that poochie up here. So maybe it doesn't fit well in the shoulders. So I think that I just have to stick with my old standby Old Navy jean jackets, because they seem to always be the best and the price is right. So one more look at this outfit. There you go. All right, so last top, and I've taken their advice and paired it with a light colored jean and another casual sneaker, which is, I'll put the Converse back on because I love them. This top is by Daniel Rainn, and it's cute because it's polka dotted in the front, has that little thing, and a stripe in the back. And I went ahead and I paired it with, according to their advice, with my white 7 crop jeans. And I also put on my pink Converse again. I don't know how that looks. Yeah, I just love those sneakers. I'll wear them any chance I get. So this might be just too white. It's cute though, the top, the concept, but the top is a little expensive. It's $50, so that doesn't, that blows my mind. It's kind of cheap. It's something that I could probably get Steinmeier or Marshall's pretty cheap. So it fits well. It's a large. Yeah, I don't know about this kind of gapping in the back. There, it's a cap sleeve, and that's kind of what they tend to do. So that's the last outfit. So I'm leaning towards keeping the black blouse with the cutout circles. I think that one's cute, and I have to buy one thing to kind of recoup my styling fee. And so that's what I'm going to do. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I have yet to be wowed by Stitch Fix. Right now I'm not their biggest fan. Does anyone else out there feel the same? I just feel their clothes are kind of cheap and super casual, and I'm the kind of person that tends to overdress for everything, and I'm not comfortable if I'm looking too casual. So that's that. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.